as a target man uyakwazi ulunga umjita, uyakwazi hold up ibhola, uyakwazi kuse uscore from early crosses. But ifite Kaizer Chiefs indlela ke la Kaizer Chiefs Kaizer Motaung Junior wenza kanjani phofu ngathi waforce nguNabi up for ba uNabi waforce ba makasayine uTashek Morris yenye uyaxabanisa uKaizer noNabi and bafethu uTashek Morris before adlalele iKaizer Chiefs wayekisekukhune United mos phofu before iSuperSport United wayekisekukhune United la out before iSekukhune United phofu before iSuperSport wangadlali imjita for isikhathi eside I think 8 months 9 months engadlali wayeSuperSport wadlala nje igame ezimbalo uNabi waFostela nayo Kaizer wavuma indike ngokunjani ke nguTashek Morris bafita sign a 3-year contract so Kaizer Chiefs istuck nale contract kamjita nene se akho offers akho team eseyifuna umthenga istuck naluye and yazi bayizomthini uTashek Morris mhlawumbe izozama iswap deal neStellenbosch ngoba uKevin Hunt iyamfila uTashek Morris uye wamsana kuSuperSport United mos enomspanisa grand ba so Kaizer Chiefs again ingakwazi ufumana itamzi eligrand neStellenbosch ba Ashley Duprez Tashek Morris Kevin Hunt is a players ekwazi usebenzisa yena player number 5 yahambayo George Matlow anzothetha kakhulu ke befit up akho yemfengeni benditsala George Matlow yahamba phela ne contract plus umjita kangabe influential kangenze nix for umotivate Kaizer Chiefs for ba mamsign se contract entsha player number 6 before ningene khona majita ngicela isupport bafethu nishaye ulike okanye usubscribe enye into bafethu xa ningaskip iads ezizivelayo enceda kakhulu lo way majita kwi-content creators player number 6 Gaston Serino nayo mjita se confirm apha this week bajonga uyayibetha Gaston Serino ikhona equality pha bafethu Serino ndiyamncanya bafethu qha Serino indaba yakhe ismoke iconduct Serino kuthiwa bafethu akayo good trainer ejimini and character personality yakhe umjita unenkani ayimamela out bafethu and okudala wenje yaSundowns ngathi ayikwazi ummanager uPitso Mosimane plus noRolani Mokoena but Kaizer Chiefs azidumi and wes ngoku iage ayisekho ecaleni lakhe plus nework ethic yakhe umjita xa sebaleni Kaizer Chiefs indlela ebedlala ngayo I think indlela ezodlala ngayo under new coach iplayers at front line naxa ku number 10 position ininzi ipressing efuneka uyenze ise front uSerino akazinazo and umdala nobamdala umshina 35 phinda sokolise ngeconduct yakhe phinda kapress ajonga vaya mnganami and siyamazi nje nalawe yakhe soloko nasebaleni ngana discipline uferha no referee nezinye players so Serino uyavaya Kaizer Chiefs izabona jezi number 10 omtsha sakwenza ivideo bafethu apha kule veki next week both about attacking midfielders Kaizer Chiefs efuneka ezijongile ezigrand number 7 iplayer hamba Kaizer Chiefs bafethu one of the best players Kaizer Chiefs last season Claude Lillepo le out Claude Lillepo bafethu izinto nje ezithethwayo ba okay umjita number 1 i-dressing room akahlangana neplayers akathandwa man bafethu ngicause kakhulu we but umjita thwala like akathandwa kakhulu ndifuna ihlebeza le akathandwa kakhulu grand i-dressing room neplayers relationship ezoyo bafethu that siyasebenza unfortunately bowling sometimes zikhona players kwezinye club ungazi ba siyawubani kuthini hamba bona ezinye behind closed doors and lindaba kalilepo enye yazo bafethu i-topic sensitive lena majita ndiyazi abanye abantu babukele le video bazenze iwezinje akanye babelieve into ezinjeyana but bona yala into yakhona zazinto dibe nenkolelo nezinto ezisebenzisayo maskisi bafethu if umuntu okhololoka zazinto obukele le video but ulilepo ngathiwa wenza kakhulu like mjita ibaqa and then le way affecting ezinye players so is Kaizer Chiefs dressing room mjita azifuna uba grand naye azisondeza pha ku if yabona ilepo acecengeni ba okay jonga pha Kaizer Chiefs ngubani kanye umjita a close naso lokho umjita soloko one man but so na umjita akafeel comfortable akafeel safe akafuna ba pha and to pushela for the move so it's up to the club ke ngoba okay ulilepo uyahlala kwanye yavaya kwanye bazam release and the offers abazazifumana for yena ngaba opportunity for Kaizer Chiefs ithole inyuku okanye ithole swap deal ithole nye international player egrand but lilepo bafethu ngothoki ba uyavaya inzima indaba yakhe number 8 player vaya bafethu Ashley Duprez itouch goal indaba yakhe naye Kaizer Chiefs i-offers azifumana i-swap deal try ingathi twice zama uhlanganisa i-swap deal neStellenbosch FC khona iplans weminyanyana emnandi kuStellenbosch FC bafethu nizava ngayo more le information xa nisenza i-signings Kaizer Chiefs efuneka izenzile for i-wing players Kaizer Chiefs ngathi try ijonge iswap bana naye uDuplessis Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ibifuna umvayisi ngoJanuary qha lewe Kaizer Motaung Junior afuneka improve bafethu bangakwazi ukuthengisa iplayers. Kaizer Motaung Junior uyasokola ufaka iplayers epanini bafethu funeka improve kule wina kanjani. Ashley nayo nayi talent uAshley qha lebinto ethe ngayo uqaleni kwevideo ba uAshley yena indaba yakho technically ayikho ki level eKaizer Chiefs. Unasi speed umjita as a football player but too limited iball xa kuye enyaweni. So Kaizer Chiefs afuneka ngenze ezi mistakes. Bakhona abantu nginibabona social media bebekathi ba Kaizer Chiefs mayisayine uDevin Titus weStellenbosch FC. Zeziwe bafethu Kaizer Chiefs funeka ziyekile. uDevin Titus bafethu iplayer ne talent but uDevin Titus ba direct kakhulu indaba yespeed ne direct ba 1-2 touch cross okanye goal. Untswimbo but kuse istyle nendlela nga Kaizer Chiefs akazofita bana uzomane lose ibhola uzomane lose touches ne passes angabikho accurate kwezaway in Kaizer Chiefs ne fans zokhwela kuye. So Kaizer Chiefs funeka iyazi must be able to sign the right players, not just a good player that's playing well, but is this the right player for Kaizer Chiefs? How Kaizer Chiefs play? Enye player bafethu ehambayo uTashreeq Morris. Anzibe ngithetha kakhulu uTashreeq Morris naye i mistake signing ifit. uTashreeq Grand as a target man uyakwazi ulunga umjita uyakwazi hold up ibhola uyakwazi kuse uscore from early crosses but ifit Kaizer Chiefs ingelekela nga Kaizer Chiefs Kaizer Motaung Junior wenza kanjani phofu ngathi waforce nguNabi up for ba uNabi waforce ba makasayine uTashreeq Morris enye uyaxabanisa uKaizer noNabi and bafethu uTashreeq Morris before adlalele iKaizer Chiefs wayekusekukhune United mos phofu before iSuperSport United wayekusekukhune United la uthi before iSekukhune United phofu before iSuperSport wangadlala imjita for isikhathi eside I think 8 months 9 months engadlali wayeSuperSport wadlala nje igame ezimbalo uNabi waFostela na Kaizer wavuma and ngoku njani ke nguTashreeq Morris bafika sign a 3-year contract. So Kaizer Chiefs istuck na le contract kamjita meaning say akho offers akho team esayifuna umthenga istuck na Louis and yazi bayizomthini uTashreeq Morris mhlawumbe izozama iswap deal neStellenbosch ngoba uKevin Hunt uyamfila uTashreeq Morris uye wamsana kuSuperSport United mos enomspanisa grand ba. So Kaizer Chiefs again ingakwazi ufumana iDams eligrand Stellenbosch ba Ashley Duplessis Tashreeq Morris Kevin Hunt as a players uyakwazi usebenzisa yena bafethu ngeke enye player bafethu inilinde le emshoni ibuza bayisijohn thina ngathethi ngayo iphela icontract ukhanyisa maye bafethu anzuthetha ngayo ukhanyisa maye bafethu nayazi if dalanda le channel yaba nifila njani ngomayo if dalanda le channel yazi bakusomayo ngicanga ndoni ngayo Kaizer Chiefs as a coaches Asia lebizenzileyo ukhanyisa mayo ayikho grand bafethu ngiphelele apha siphindithethe ngokukhanyisa mayo bafethu ndizibamba apho namhlanje bafethu ngicinga le balo support channel bafethu go like kanye subscribe nicinga ndoni bafethu ana comments about le video ngezi players just ngokole comments bafethu mocho.